People are talking about this herbal tea, and I'm here to tell you more and also tell you how you can take your skin to a whole new level. I will be back with more. It's given ginseng, it's given orange lemon flavor, given all the goodies, trust me. And consuming this on a daily basis is going to do a whole lot to your skin. Cheers. Welcome back. If you're watching me for the first time, you are warmly welcome to the channel. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I post new content. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for passing through. Today, I'm reviewing this herbal tea manufactured by a company called Asantee in China. And apart from the Filipinos and the Thais, I can boldly say that the Koreans, the Japanese, and the Chinese are also doing really well in the cosmetic industry. This product comes in a very beautiful white and pink packaging, and we have 30 tea bags in this box. So you can boldly see 90G 30 tea bags written on it, and people mistake the 90G written on it for the number of tea bags in the box. The 90G over here simply stands for the weight of the product in the box. The weight of the product is 90 grams and the number of tea bags in the box is 30 tea bags. So quickly, let's unbox the product. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, yeah. And before I talk about the ingredient and the benefit you stand to achieve when consuming this herbal tea, let me introduce another version to you. So I came across this product early last year. It might have been in the system for quite some time now, but my first time of coming across it was last year. The one I bought last year, this is how the packaging looks like. You see the difference? This is the recent one, and this was what I bought last year. Now let me tell you something, the packaging is just the same, no difference. And so it is obvious the company has rebranded to this new packaging. So if you see this in town, it doesn't mean it's fake. It's not fake, it's original. Before I talk about the ingredients, this is what is written on the packaging. Skin whitening and spot fading tea, a natural health drink made from natural finest Chinese medicinal materials, no additives, pure and natural, with various effects such as whitening the whole body, delicate skin, and improving sleep. It stops the skin from producing melanin, makes your skin more radiant and smooth. It doesn't really whiten the skin like the way you want it to. It doesn't really whiten the skin like give you that snow white, that shapapra looks, no. But when it comes to fading of dark spots on the skin, I have a lot of reviews from my customers, a lot of good reviews from my customers. Fading of dark spot, acne, body spots on the face, it does really well. And there were a few customers that told me that it was really getting rid of their white dots. So whilst treating your dark spot, it treats other skin related issues as well. On a scale of 100, I'm going to give this product, let me say 99. Probably you need to take it for a long period of time before you see that whitening effect. If you want to achieve that whitening effect, then you have to combine it with topicals, your lotions, your oils, you exfoliate and you're good to go. Ingredients: double red rose, American ginseng. Yes, it has this ginseng flavor, nice ginseng smell. This company is actually into other herbal products as well, like this, and this. So this should tell you they've been in the system for quite a long time, and their products are spread all over the world. If you want to beautify your skin on a low budget, this is what you should have in your skincare routine. It has a very beautiful aroma and has this nice ginseng smell. And now this is how you take it. Take one in the morning and one at night, last thing before you go to bed. If you take 2 morning, 2 evening, in no time you run out of stock. If you brew 1 bag, 1 tea bag, you will still get result. If you take it once a day, you will still get result, okay? And if you want it to last for 30 days, you brew 1 in the morning, make sure you don't dispose the tea bag. And then at night, you brew that same tea bag. The tea bag is packed with nutrients. Within 5 minutes, all the nutrients may not be out of it. You're supposed to brew it in hot water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the nutrients may not be completely out of it. So you can keep it in the refrigerator and reuse in the evening. I think that is the wisest way of using it. The manufacturer also says that you can add a few drops of lemon juice, like 2 tablespoons to it, and drink. But if you're somebody who is allergic to acidic fruit or things that contain high amount of acid, then you can go for vitamin C, the soluble ones. We have them in varieties, so go for vitamin C with zinc. This is just one of them. We have so many brands out there. I bought this one for 39 Ghana cedis, but we have some selling for 45 cedis and 50 cedis. So you can dissolve one in water once a day. Take it alongside the tea and trust me, you're going to see results. Vitamin C supplements actually help these supplements or these medicines to absorb properly into the skin and thereby making them work better and faster. This is 150 Ghana cedis in Ghana here, and it's less than $15. So you can grab it, add this to your skincare routine, and trust me, you are going to be happy with your skin. In fact, you will boost your inner confidence. You are going to love your skin. Grab one for yourself. So you see, this is mine. The aroma, the ginseng flavor, the herbs, the Chinese herbs. You can feel mulberry, licorice. Thank you very much for watching. If you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, and see you in my next video.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last.